In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your LinkedIn profile picture. If you want to keep your LinkedIn profile looking professional and up to date, changing your profile picture is a quick and important step. Your photo is one of the first things people notice when they visit your profile, so it's a good idea to make sure it represents you well. To begin, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top of the screen and click on Me. This will open a small menu with account and profile options. From that menu, select View Profile. This takes you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can manage the main details that other people see when they visit your account. Once you're on your profile, find your current profile icon or photo and click on it. This will open the profile photo settings where you can make changes to your existing picture or add a new one if you don't already have a photo set. Next, click Update. This is the option that lets you replace your current profile image. After that, LinkedIn will give you a couple of ways to continue. You can either use your device camera to take a new picture right away, or you can click Upload Photo if you already have a photo saved on your phone or computer. Choose the option that works best for you. If you use your camera, make sure you're in a well-lit space and that your face is clearly visible. If you upload a photo, try to pick one that looks clean, professional, and recent. A simple background and a clear image usually work best for LinkedIn. Once you've either taken the photo or uploaded one from your device, LinkedIn will guide you through the final adjustment. You may be able to reposition or crop the image so it fits nicely in the profile frame. Take a moment to make sure it looks centered and polished. And that's it. Once you complete that step, your LinkedIn profile picture will be updated. As you can see, the whole process only takes a minute, and it can make a big difference in how your profile appears to recruiters, co-workers, and professional connections.